Hi guys, welcome to my channel Waysheblushes and welcome to yet another swatch and review video. So in this video, I will not be swatching or reviewing any foundation, but I will be swatching this moisturizer which comes with a highlighter. I am talking about this product which you all are very familiar with. This one is Lakme Lumi cream. It is a moisturizer with a highlighter. I've already done a complete swatch and review video on this one, so if you want to check that out, I will be linking it right here for you to watch. So now what Lakme has done is that they have actually introduced two new shades in their Lakme cream. They have actually changed the packaging also. As you can see, the older one used to come in a white tube and the newer ones are coming in slightly rose gold tinty kind of tubes. And also there is a name difference, like this one is just a Lakme Lumi cream, but the newer ones are actually Lakme Lumi lit creams and they come in two different shades. The first shade is Golden Glaze and the other one is Silver Shimmer. Also, just to tell you, the prices of the newer Lakme Lumi lit creams are on par with the old one. They have not raised the prices, but definitely they have added more shades in it, which was much needed. As I do in all my swatch and review videos, I will be swatching these two shades on my face to see the difference between the tints of both of these, and also I will be swatching the older one as well, the original Lakme Lumi cream, to understand the difference between the quality and the texture. मतलब पुराने और नए Lumi cream में कुछ shade के अलावा और भी difference है कि नहीं है, that I will be trying to figure out. So this is the older Lakme Lumi cream and here I have the newer one as well in rose gold packaging, and this is Lakme Lumi lit cream. So I am applying the older Lakme Lumi cream on half of my face to first show you how the older one used to be. It had like a pinkish tint on my face. It used to give me a slightly pinkish look, and now I am applying the newer one, the Lakme Lumi lit cream in the shade Golden Glaze. So obviously, as the name suggests, Golden Glaze, इसका भी tint थोड़ा सा golden type में आता है. As you can see, it gives me a golden tint. So there's a very clear difference between the two. The older one, the older one looks a little bit white on my skin, if you can make out. और जो Golden Glaze है, that is still a little warmer for my skin. That's like the perfect shade for somebody like me who has a medium skin tone with slightly warmer undertone. And yeah, I mean the difference is clear. So now I'm removing the older Lakme Lumi cream and right now I have the Golden Glaze, the lit cream, so you can compare it against my natural skin tone. Golden Glaze I think बहुत सारी Indian skin tones के लिए चला जाएगा. ये shade बहुत ही perfect है. So now I have the newer cream in Silver Shimmer. So नई वाली Lakme Lumi lit cream दो shades में आती है, Golden Glaze and Silver Shimmer. So मैंने उसको hands पे अभी swatch किया है and you can clearly see दोनों के tint में काफ़ी difference है. So अभी I'm applying the Silver Shimmer on the left part of my face. तो अभी आप दोनों को compare कर सकते हो, Golden Glaze को भी and Silver Shimmer को भी. This one is Golden Glaze और बहुत ही clearly golden tint उसका आता है और Silver Shimmer में वो सिल्वर लुक आ रहा है, वो कूल शाइन जो फेस पे आती है फॉर पीपल विद प्रोबेबली फेयर स्किन टोन. आई थिंक उनके लिए ये शेड बहुत सही रहेगा और गोल्डन ग्लेज आई थिंक मीडियम स्किन टोन वाले लोगों के लिए बहुत सही रहेगा. अभी मैंने रिंग लाइट बंद कर दिया है. दिस इज़ माई नॉर्मल रूम लाइट सेटिंग और दोनों शेड्स को आप एक नॉर्मल रूम लाइट में देख सकते हो. एंड आई फील गोल्डन ग्लेज का जो गोल्डन टिंट है वो बहुत क्लियरली दिख रहा है और सिल्वर थोड़ा सा दबा हुआ है. And I think the shades are true to the names and clearly you can see the difference. So that was the swatch and I must say I'm really impressed with the shade Golden Glaze. I mean, I have a neutral undertone but I still have a slight yellow on my skin and I like to use products which have a little bit of yellow in it. My foundations have little bit of yellow in them and I also like to use highlighters and strobe creams which give me a slightly golden effect. Like I live for golden effect, so Golden Glaze would have to be my favorite one. Having said that, I have also used the older one, the original Lakme Lumi cream, and that used to give me a slightly pinkish tint on my skin, but honestly I never used that Lakme Lumi cream on its own. I have always like added foundation in it, or I have applied prior to using a foundation, so that way it used to work for me. Speaking of quality, I feel the quality of original Lakme Lumi cream and the newer Lakme Lumi lit cream are on par. They have not done much to the quality of the product, just that they have added newer shades, which was much needed, of course. I mean, the original Lakme Lumi cream was a best selling product. It was out of stock everywhere, but I do feel, considering the price, the product is not that bad. I mean, you just have to use it with the foundation or before a foundation, and it does the job well. It does give a very not very, but I would say a decent dewy touch to your foundation. Like if you have a matte foundation, then definitely it helps in, you know, enhancing the texture and converting it into a little bit of a dewy skin, like a dewy texture. Baki, if you ask me about the glitter dust that it leaves all over your face, that is very true. It does leave glitter dust all over your face. I mean, older one and the newer one, as I said, the quality is on par, so the newer ones also leave a glitter trail on your skin. So if somebody looks up to you, you know, to your face closely, they will be able to see the glitter on your skin. So that's why I said use it before a foundation. Foundation will conceal it and nobody will know. That was it. This was my review on Lakme Lumi cream, or rather Lakme Lumi lit creams. Let me know if you have tried their newer ones or not, and I would love to know your experience as well. Also, if you found this video useful and you enjoyed watching it, then please give this video a big like and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Waysheblushes. That was it for today. Now I'll see you in another swatch and review video on my channel very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.